This video will guide you through the steps for fitting a MAGURA MCi system. You can find information about the tools you will need in the video description. Before starting work on the MCi, push the pistons of the brake caliper back to their starting position. In this video, we will show you how to remove and replace the master cylinder unit and brake line of an MCi, for example, in case of a defect. First, open the screws with a Torx T25 tool and remove the handlebar clamp. Now, you can take off the lever unit. Remove the lever unit by pushing it slightly towards the end of the handlebar, rotating it forward and disengaging it. Then, remove the handlebar from the stem unit in order to have access to the cable conduit. First, loosen the screws of the handlebar clamp on the stem. Then, remove the clamp from the EZ-Link tube coupling and disconnect the two cable sections. Reattach the clamp so that the coupling can be used again. The line is closed at the EZ-Link tube coupling, so no oil can escape. Caution: the line to the brake caliper is not closed. If necessary, seal it with a grommet. Next, pull the MCi master cylinder out of the handlebar. Remove the clamp from the EZ-Link tube coupling in order to disconnect the line from the master cylinder unit. Note that oil can now escape. At this point, all three main parts of the MCi have been disconnected from one another. Depending on your requirements, you can either replace the hydraulic master unit or install a new line between the master unit and the EZ-Link coupling. For safety, briefly check all of the components for damage. To connect a new hydraulic unit with the line or to replace the line, push the line into the hydraulic unit and secure it with the clamp. Make sure that the clamp is seated correctly and securely in the recess provided for it. After you have replaced the line or hydraulic unit, you can put the hydraulic unit back into the handlebar. A hooked tool can be useful here. Push the lever unit as far as you can towards the stem so that it is correctly positioned in the recess on the handlebar. After you have replaced a component and connected the line, mount the handlebar on the stem again. Now you can install the new lever unit. When you insert the lever unit, make sure that you guide the fork at the end of the unit correctly over the piston rod and insert it cleanly into the plastic part. Push the lever unit as far as you can towards the stem so that it is correctly positioned in the recess on the handlebar. Make sure that the lever unit can no longer be rotated or moved from this position. Now you can fix the lever unit in place with the clamp. In doing so, make sure that the clamp is correctly aligned. The thick side, or the side marked with an arrow, must point upwards. As you tighten the clamp, push the lever unit gently towards the stem. First, fully tighten the top screw to 2 Newton meters. Then, tighten the lower screw to 2 Newton meters. Make sure that the push rod retainer in the handlebar can move freely and check the handlebar for damage. Mount the lever unit. Inspect it briefly and then mount the handlebar grip. Use a grip with a small notch or hole at the bottom of the end cap so that water can drain from the handlebar if necessary. Now that you have replaced a component, you must refill the brake and bleed it. A video explaining this can be found on our channel. You'll find more information in the service section at magura.com. Your Magura dealer will also be glad to help you. If you have specific questions, you can also contact us via the chat feature on our social media channels.